Hey PashFam! In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add our Passion Planner digital stickers into your planner. Now these stickers are new and improved specifically for non-GoodNotes users because now we actually cropped out each individual sticker for you to easily insert into your planner. Because if you had our 1.0 version of our stickers, we used to have a PNG, so it's a photo for each sticker sheet, and you would have to individually crop the stickers yourself, but now we've done that work for you. So this is specifically for non-GoodNotes users. If you are a GoodNotes user, we actually already have a tutorial set up for you. You can check that out on our IGTV or our YouTube channel. For this demonstration specifically, I will be using an iPad, and on the iPad I'll be using the apps Notability and Noteshelf. And then I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android tablet, specifically the Samsung Tab S7, and I will be using the app Noteshelf there. Let's go ahead and get started. Now to start off, I have my Files app open right here. So this is all under the assumption that you've already imported or downloaded your files onto your device. So if you haven't done that and you need some help with that, again, we have a tutorial for that on our IGTV or our YouTube channel. So I'm going to be using the Save It Finance and Budgeting sticker book because if you purchased our digital planner, no matter which bundle you got or type of planner, this sticker book specifically came with every single digital planner purchase. So I'm going to go ahead and have that open up in my Files app. So I have the half annual bundle. This is going to look different depending on which planner purchase you bought, but I'm going to open up my Save It sticker book right here. And then I'm going to just explain how this is set up because this is new. So you're not going to pay attention to this specific file. This is specifically for GoodNotes, but let's take a look at this file right here. This is your preview of every sticker sheet that comes with this sticker book. Now this is really important because this is going to tell you where to find each sticker. For example, if I wanted to use this sticker right here, I would know that it's in my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th folder. So there is a corresponding folder for each sticker sheet. I'm going to go back. And over here, you see PNG stickers. You want to open up that and go to my 9th folder. And I would see that individual sticker right here. Okay, now I'm going to actually demonstrate adding these stickers into the app Notability. So first off, I'm going to open up Notability. And I have my planner page open where I want to add my stickers. Next up, okay, so there are a couple of different ways to do this. I prefer to use the drag and drop method using split view mode on an iPad. If you don't have that feature available on your iPad, I'll show you a different option after this. But I like to use split view mode, so I'm going to drag up from the bottom of my screen here so that this dock appears. This is my recent apps dock. And so since I just opened up my Files app a second ago, it'll appear right here. So you're gonna long press on the icon and drag it until it appears like this, and drag it to either side of the screen until it makes a little space, and then we're gonna drop it. From here, all I'm gonna do is drag and drop this sticker into my planner. So I'm gonna long press on the sticker, and once I drag it, it'll pop out like this. Drag it into this screen and then drop it. If you're dragging it and it doesn't seem to be doing anything, you're probably not pressing long enough, so make sure you press and then drag. You could also, if you don't really want a full split screen here, you can either drag this around to resize it, or you could also, you'll see this little gray bar here. If you long press on it, you can drag it out and then just let go. Whoops. Maybe not. Drag it and let go. And it can also appear as this little window here for you to just drag and drop all of your stickers. Now let me show you, if you don't have the drag and drop method, I'm going to show you what you could do instead. So to exit this, I'm going to drag this again to the side here. I'm going to drag this middle bar to the side of the screen to kind of push that out. So if you don't have the drag and drop method or feature available to you, Essentially all you're doing is copying and pasting. So I'm going to go to my Files app, and let's say I wanted this sticker. I'm going to click on the share icon right here, click copy, and then I'm going to go back to my Notability app here, long press with the lasso tool selected, click paste image. Okay, I'm going to move on to Noteshelf. This is going to be the exact same process, but I'm going to repeat it again in case you just kind of forwarded to this specific part of the tutorial. So I opened up Noteshelf, and I'm going to drag from the bottom of my screen here to reveal this recently opened apps doc. And the files icon is over here. I'm going to long press on it and drag it out until it looks like this, and drag it to the side of my screen. Exit that for a second. Let's go back actually to this main folder here. I'm going to first show you the drag and drop method. If you don't have this feature available on your iPad, I'll show you another option as well. But from here, let's open up this preview file right here, and let's say I wanted to use this sticker right here. I'll know that it's in my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th folder. So I'm going to click done, click PNG Stickers, go to my 7th folder, and I can see that that sticker is right here. So I'm going to long press on it until it drags out like this, and then drag it into this window and drop it. If you're trying to drag and it's not doing anything, that means you probably aren't pressing long enough. And then drag. If you don't want it to be this large of a window, you can either drag this middle bar here, or you can also drag on this gray bar at the top, drag it until it looks like this, and then drop it. So it makes this a little smaller window here. If you don't have the drag and drop feature, so to exit this, I'm gonna drag this to the side of the screen, and then I'm going to drag this middle bar here all the way to the side. So essentially all you're doing is copying and pasting the sticker into your app. So I'm going to go back to my Files app here. And again, this sticker, I'm going to click on it. I'll click on this share icon here and click copy. I'm going to go back to my app here. I have my lasso tool selected here. I'm going to long press. Oops. I'm going to long press and click paste. And that covers how to add our Passion Planner digital stickers into the apps Notability and Noteshelf using the iPad. Now let's switch on over to an Android tablet. Okay, so switching to an Android tablet, more specifically, this is the Samsung Tab S7. And let me start off by saying I apologize if the lighting is a little bit different and the colors are off. I have to make this as dark as possible so that you don't see the glare on this screen protector here. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to assume also that you forwarded through this video straight to this section because you have an Android tablet, so maybe you didn't see any of the other intros having to do with the iPad. So let me start off by saying that this is all under the assumption that you've already downloaded and imported your files onto your device. So if you haven't done that yet and you still need some help with that, we do have a tutorial you can watch either on our IGTV or our YouTube channel. So go ahead and check that out. But to start off, I am going to open up Noteshelf. I'm going to open up to the page that I want to add my stickers to. And we won't be directly importing our stickers into the app itself. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you the drag and drop method and also just the copy and paste method. Okay, so you have your page opened up where you want to add your stickers. Now I'm going to open up my Files app. So I'm going to drag from the bottom of the screen here and hit the home button. And I will open up my Files app here. And I already have my Passion Planner Digital Weekly 2021 August through December half annual bundle open. And this will have your Save It budgeting sticker book. So this is the main folder and you will find the sticker book right here. I'm going to click on it. And what's important is going to be this preview file here. So if you tap on it, this will show you a preview of all of the sticker sheets and the stickers within it in this sticker book. from here, I'm going to pick a sticker, and just know that each sticker sheet corresponds to a specific folder. That is the purpose of this preview file here. It's really important. So these aren't the stickers themselves. Just know that. So let's say I wanted to use this sticker right here. I'll know that it's in my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, my 8th folder. So I'm going to click the button here, and I'm going to open up my PNG stickers. This is important. Then I will go to my 8th folder, and that sticker is right here. So first, I'm going to show you the drag and drop method. If you don't have that feature available on your tablet, I'll show you another way as well. But first off, we're going to use the drag and drop method. So basically, we're going to split our screen with our My Files app and then with our Noteshelf app here. So to do that, oops, let's say I have that opened up. You're going to want to drag up so that this menu is down here. Let me open that again. And then you're going to click on this icon here. Now this will open up your recently opened apps. And since I opened up Noteshelf a while ago, it's over here. So I can tap on either icon and then I'll click open in split screen view. And then on this side, I'll just open up the other app, which is Noteshelf. So from here, I'm going to click back. Okay, so from here, I'm going to long press on the thumbnail right here. Long press on it and then drag it, and it should look like this. And drag it straight into my Noteshelf window and drop it. And I could do that with my other stickers as well. Drag. Okay, so that is one method of adding your stickers. You could also, let's say you don't have that feature available to you. So I'm gonna delete this. What you could do is you could click on this plus icon here, click on this icon, and click photo library. Basically, you're gonna add a photo. And I do like to do the split screen method if possible anyways, just because I can like preview my stickers here, figure out where they all are, and then find them on this screen. So let me go back. Okay, so let's go all the way back just in case. Say I'm in my downloads. I'm gonna click open my Passion Planner digital bundle folders, open that up and go to the Save It sticker book. Okay, from here, I'm gonna go back to this window. I'm gonna tap on it so it's selected, and then I'll click back. And I want to go to that preview file here. Okay, so from here, let's say I'm like, oh, okay, I really like this sticker right here. So I know that it's in my 3rd folder, so I'll click on the PNG Stickers folder, and I will find my 3rd folder right here. And then that sticker is right here, so I'll just tap on it, and it is now added into my planner. Okay, and that is how to add our new PNG digital stickers into your planner. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in a comment below. If you have any specific questions regarding your device or your app, we do recommend going to that specific device or app's support website, as they'll be better able to help answer those questions for you there.